and good afternoon from the last hour of day 2 of Knowledge 2025. I'm Lydia with Royal Cyber, and today I'm joined by Christina. Christina,
Hi.
thanks for coming by.
No problem.
So why did you decide to attend this year's Knowledge Conference?
Well, I've been in the field of ServiceNow for 7-8 years now.
Wow.
This is my first time. I am finally at the level of being invited by my company.
That's
to
exciting.
Knowledge. So yeah, I'm very glad to be here. It's incredible.
There's a lot to see. Okay, so speaking of your company, who do you work for and what role do you play within your company?
I work for NN Group, which is a Dutch-based insurance and banking company, and I am a ServiceNow developer for the platform team.
Wait, does that mean that you came all the way from the Netherlands?
I am actually based in Czech Republic.
Oh, wow. So still quite a ways.
Yes, very much so.
Okay, so what's been the most impressive use case of AI that you've seen recently?
It has not actually been that recent, but as somebody who's interested in biology and medicine, I have been very impressed with the use of AI for drug design and protein folding.
That's a new, actually no one has said that yet, so that's a very original answer and a very good one. Lots of practical uses. So tell me, how prepared do you think your company is for AI adoption moving forward throughout the rest of the year?
Considering what we have been talking about with my colleagues, my managers, my product owner, and also from what I have seen in the sessions and presentations around here, I feel like the base for a successful implementation of AI is always great data. I feel like we are getting there. Of course, nobody ever feels prepared enough.
Right.
But yeah, I feel like we're doing a really good job.
Getting closer every day. Well, thank you for joining us here at the Royal Cyber booth, and I hope you have a great rest of your conference.
Thank you so much.